This is the giant fish head I'm going to cook today. It's a tuna head. Let's clean the head. This is the gills. I'm going to take this out. This is also the head part. Along with this, it weighs 2.5 kg. I've cleaned the fish head. Let's marinate this fish head. Salt and turmeric powder only. Turmeric powder. Cooking oil. Let it heat up. Here are the ingredients. This is the fried fish head, curry leaves, 3.5 large tomatoes, ginger, some garlic cloves, onion. This is tamarind pulp and machal. You can use any masala you like. Salt, turmeric powder and chili powder. That's all. Let's start cooking. Some mustard oil. While the oil is heated up, let's chop up the onion. Curry leaves, chopped onions, let's chop tomatoes, ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon of mustard, salt, turmeric powder, half teaspoon, chili, 1 tablespoon, tomatoes, Manam di hawak se. Let's put the fish. Water. Ising half percent. Isi marak to ot piraga mundum kay thong na daw ne. Don't forget to stir in between. Tamarind pulp. The fish head is fatty, that's why you need some acidic ingredients. Tomato alone is not enough. Time to enjoy the food. This is my wing beans Tuna. This is from my garden. Very big, you can see, but it's very tender. It's organic. And this is the sauce. It has got king chili, fermented fish and garlic. This is the basic sauce for salad. And here's one of my favorite. This is iromba petai beans yongja maruni. This is fermented bamboo shoot, potatoes, and here this green leaves is fish mint. Toining kokni, she say. Luga, I have onion. Let me mix it up. This is one of my favorite. And this is my today's special fish head curry. It's quite big. I'll take meat from this side, see. Here. I'm dipping in the sauce, in the gravy. Let's try it. The taste is nice, but fish head has got a strong smell, so you need to put some masalas. Curry patta is a must, and tamarind pulp. Ronba. I usually prepare jumbo rahu fish, but I didn't get, that's why today for the first time I made with tuna head. This mashed potato is so nice. And the tena manbi, dip in the sauce. The sauce is so spicy. 용자 이러면 되는데 so nice, crunchy. It's like beans only. This fish head can be served for 4 or 5 people. 이런 싸게มีมันอีรวนบะจ้าบิวให้ในคอมเมนต์ต่อระเอะไอ้ย่ามปามที่ปามเจอบะดูแต่จับตาเลยอีรวนช่วยเอาแรงสีดีFeta I love this. It's very smelly but tastes very nice. So crunchy. So good. Murok sasu saba hauba. Rất là xa đấy, xí xí. Rất là xa murok ama hap này. Murok pak cha dewi go. Ama murok ama hap di xa đấy. Handi yam cha rame murok ama hai ga xí. Morok ama haiti kaisu na ensang disu ko. Ya habla me hojikandi haptre. That's all for today. Thank you very much. See you